India developed the heliocentric theory around 6000 BCE in the Vedas and created a lunisolar calendar based off of it. According to Medium.com, the Rig Veda states that the Earth moves around the Sun. Other Vedic developments include the Big Bang Theory, the speed of light, gravitational force, and planetary distances in motion, being quite accurate on all of them numerically for their time. Then Baudhayana discovered the Pythagorean theorem 300 years before Pythagoras, but Europe credited Pythagoras with it due to its use there. And probably because Pythagoras was easier to pronounce than Baudhayana for them. Partially. Anyway, next, Aryabhatta single-handedly did the work of about 10 different Greek mathematicians and more, with creating Indian algebra, trigonometric functions, discovering the number 0, the first 10 digits of pi, and the decimal system, which was fully established by his disciple Bhaskara I, who established the common modern Indian numeral system. He also created the first latitude-longitude system and proved that the Earth was actually rotating on its axis. Another important mention, Varaha Mihira, developed a lot of geometry, merging Indian and Greek methods. Brahmagupta was the first ever to create the concept of negative numbers, contributing to the Siddhantas, the Indian astronomical texts of that time, with concepts such as starting the day at midnight. Bhaskara II filled in the gaps of Brahmagupta's works in the fields of quadratics. He also worked with planetary positions and alignment, eclipses, and geography in the Siddhantas. Also, ancient Chinese astronomers such as Zhang Heng and Yi Jing worked on and developed great cataloging systems for celestial bodies and events such as the Crab Nebula supernova explosion of 1054 on July 4th. Additionally, the 9th chapter, summarizing the fundamentals of algebra and geometry, was finished in the 2nd century CE in China. Buddhist migration also traded helpful information between China and India, the latter eventually developing differential calculus, the other half of the puzzle of calculus. The trade westwards thus leads us to the next segment.